Hello students, we are studying about rational numbers, right? Do you remember what are rational numbers? Yes, any numbers of the form p by q where q is not equal to 0. Say some examples of rational numbers: 6 by 2, 3 by 12, 9 by 8. All these are rational numbers, right? Okay, then what did we study? Then we studied about equivalent rational numbers. Do you remember what are equivalent rational numbers? So here we have the equivalent rational numbers. When we multiply top and bottom of a rational number with same number, we will get equivalent rational numbers. Okay, so 1 by 2 is equivalent to. So these are the equivalent fractions. So 1 by 3, 1 by 4. This is how, and how we will get. Just see here. One example is here. 1 by 2, I am multiplying the numerator with 2 and also denominator with 2. You know what is numerator and denominator, right? Numerator means the above number, denominator means the below number. Okay, so if I multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, I will get here it as 2 by 4. So what can we say? I can say that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equivalent rational numbers. Now if you are multiplying with 3, I will get 3 by 6. So it will go on like that. So these are called equivalent rational numbers. Okay, now coming to one question from your reader. Try this. Fill in the boxes. So 5 by 4 is equal to. So one box is given here. You have to fill that box using the concept of equivalent rational numbers. So how did you understand this is equivalent rational numbers? Because we have an equal to sign here. Right. Okay. So numerator and denominator you have to multiply with the same number. So here you can see for getting 16, what number should you multiply with? 4. Have to multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. So by the definition, here also we should multiply with the same number. So what is it? It is 4. So 5 4s are, answer is 20. So we'll get the answer as 20. Understood? How is it? Okay. So it is 20. So this is how we have to find the fill in the boxes. Okay, now coming to the next question. What is in the next one? 5 by 4 is equal to, again it is equal to only, so all these are equal to only. Okay, is equal to 25 by box. Don't know what is in that box, right? But what do you know? You know that 5 5s are 25. So here also you have to multiply with 5. So 4 5s are 20. So what will you write here? You will write it as 20. Understood? Easy only, right? Okay. Now coming to the next box. Which is it? So it is 5 by 4 is equal to negative 15. Okay, negative 15 by box. So negative number, if you want, you have to multiply with a negative number. So 5 3s are 15, you know. But negative means what you have to do is you have to put one negative. So numerator is negative. If you multiply numerator with negative number, denominator also you have to multiply with the same number. So 4 into minus 3. What is it? Minus 12. So what is the answer? The answer is minus 12. So we'll write it as minus 12. So this is how you have to fill the boxes using the equivalent rational numbers. Understood? Okay, so second one you can do by yourself. Okay. Now next one is standard form. Do you remember what is a standard form? We have the definition of standard form here. A rational number is said to be in standard form if its denominator is positive. That is the first condition, that its denominator should be positive. And the denominator and numerator have no common factor other than 1. That is the second condition. So using this, you have to do the next question. That is, reduce minus 45 by 30 to the standard form. So I will do it here for you. It is minus 45 by 30. First, you have to check whether denominator is positive or negative. What can you say about the denominator? Is it positive or negative? 30. It is positive. So that condition is over. Now we have to make the common factor to 1. For that, what you have to do is, you have to see in which all multiplication tables, this 45 and 30 is there. Both are there. That means if I am taking 3 table, minus 15 into 3. 15 3s are 45. Then 30, how will you write it as? That is 15 into 2. That is 30. The other way if I am writing, that is 3 into minus 3 into 15 and 2 into 15. 15 table it is going, right? So 15 ones are 15. Here also 15 ones are 15. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. So is this in standard form now? Is there any common factor for 3 and 2? No. So this is in standard form. Okay. Another way you can do this, that is minus 45 by 30. This is what you have to do, right? So first we will see in 3 table. 3 table 45. Is it going 3 table? Yes. So it is 15 into 3. 15, see minus is there. So you can write a minus. So here 13 3 table means 10 3s are 30. So you can start from the smallest number. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, can cancel it. So the answer is minus 15 by 10. Now again check minus 15 and 10. Is there any common factor for both? Yes, 5 table it is going, right? So you have to again start. That is minus 15 by 10 is equal to 5 table it is. So minus 5, not minus 5, minus 3 into 5. Anyway you can write 5 into 3, whichever you want you can do. Okay, no problem. 2 5s are 10. So again 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. The answer is minus 3 by 2. Anyway the answer is same. Here also minus 3 by 2, here also minus 3 by 2. So this is how, now it is in standard form. So this is how you have to bring it in the standard form. So here is another method. So they have directly divided here. That is also standard form. Okay. So this method also you can follow. So anyway the answer is same. Correct. Understood. So this is how you have to reduce to standard form. Any method you can follow, no problem, but the final answer should be same. Okay. Now next example from your reader. 36 by minus 24. So first step what you have to do is, you have to make the denominator positive. How will you make the denominator positive here? You have to multiply the numerator and denominator with minus 1. So the answer is minus 36 by 24. So the denominator is positive now. So you can, now it is, the first condition is over. So coming to the next condition, what is it? You have to bring the common factor of numerator and denominator to 1. So first we will see in which table it is going. 12 table it is going, right? So it is minus 3 into 12. Here it is 2 into 2. So 12 ones are 12, 12 ones, so you can cancel both. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. This cancellation you have to do with pencil. Okay, others it will be confusion. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Next one is minus 3 by 15. How will you do it? Minus 3 by 15. Minus 15. So first what you have to do is, you have to make the denominator positive. So you have to multiply the denominator and numerator with the same number, that is minus 1. So it is 3 by 15 now. Okay. Now you have to check in which table it is going. So it is going 3 tables. So it is 1 into 3, 3. 5 into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3 will get cancelled. So you will get the answer as 1 by 5. So you have the final answer as 1 by 5. Okay. So this is how we have to make it in the, bring a rational number to its standard form. So these are the problems from your reader. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Now coming to the next type, next topic, that is positive and negative rational numbers. Nothing is there. You know what are positive integers and negative integers, right? Okay. So what are the positive integers? So say some examples of some positive integers. 3. 3 is a positive integer. Plus 3, is it a positive? Is it positive or negative? Yes, plus means it is positive. So either you can write like this or like this. That is positive. So negative integers means If you are putting a negative sign before the number, it will become negative integer. So it is negative integer. -3, -5, all these are negative integers. Okay. So now coming to rational numbers, positive and negative rational numbers. Okay. Both the numerator and denominator should be positive. Then we can say they are positive. So here we have the examples. 3 by 8, 5 by 7. Numerator is 3, denominator is 8. Both are positive. So we can say that they are positive rational numbers. Easy only, right? Now coming to negative rational numbers. Numerator should be negative. For example, they have given it as -3 by 5. What is the numerator here? -3. What is the denominator here? +5. So the numerator is negative and denominator is positive. We can call them as negative rational numbers. So here we have the examples. -5 by 7, -3 by 8, -9 by 5. You can write your own examples. Okay. Numerator should be negative, denominator should be positive. That is only condition. Okay. So you will have one doubt. That is 1 by -5. Is it positive or negative? I told you first you have to bring it in the standard form. Standard form means denominator should be positive. So how will you make -5 positive? So what you have to do is you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with -1. So it is -1 by 5. See? Now tell me what type of number is it? Positive rational number or negative rational number? It is a negative rational number. Understood? So the negative sign is coming in the denominator also, it is negative rational number only. Okay. Now one more doubt will be there. That is -1 by -5. If both numerator and negative are negative numbers, so what will be the answer? So what you have to do is first you have to bring it in the standard form. Standard form means denominator should be positive. So how will you make this positive? Multiply by -1. So you have to multiply numerator also with the same number. So it is 1 by 5. Now tell me what is this? What type of number? Positive or negative? Yes, it is positive. Clear? Okay. So now some important notes. That is number 0 is neither positive nor a negative number. That you know, right? It is neither a negative integer nor a positive integer. Now -3 by 5 by -5. I told you how was it, right? Okay. Which of these are negative rational numbers? So -2 by 3, is it negative or positive? Negative. This one is positive. This one is negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 6 by 11 positive. -2 by -9. You know that, right? It is positive. So this is how we have to identify negative and positive rational numbers. Understood the concept? Okay. So you have to do all these problems in your classwork. Write the definitions neatly. Write today's date and then start writing. Okay. Thank you.